A is a square matrix of order 3 such that A into adjoint of A is equals to 10 into I, taking both sides on determinant. Determinant of A adjoint of A is equals to 10q determinant of I, because A is a matrix of 3 by 3. Then this is determinant of A, determinant of adjoint of A is equals to 10q. And as we know, if A is a n by n matrix, determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. So this is determinant of A square is equals to 10q. Determinant of A square is determinant of A whole square. So determinant of A whole cube is equals to 10q. So determinant of A equals to 10. Now adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A whole square. So 10 square, it is 100. Option C is correct.